my name is Renette and today I will be opening my very first Bibbidi box. So I finally received it and it was just in time, and this one is one of their Halloween boxes. Not that it's gonna be Halloween inside, but it's with the new festive packaging that they made especially for the season. So I'm filming this on October 1st, so it's perfect timing, I guess. So I'm super excited to finally open one of these boxes. Let's go ahead and open it. So what I do want to mention too, so it does come with a plastic wrapping around it, so felt good about bringing it up to my room after it arrived via FedEx. So I just took off the wrapping, threw it away, and then got a nice clean box to bring up and open. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so mine came out like this. So does come with, and this is Halloween theme too, which is really cute, and it comes with, I believe this is a card. So this is Duffy and Friends, and it's cute, and it says who your box was created by, and so my box was curated by Amanda. So it's a really nice quality. This is like the spoiler sheet, so I'm not gonna look at that yet. Okay, so you're inside the box. So after the little folder and cards, it came with this little bag. It's like a little drawstring tote bag, and it's super cute. It's like holographic. I haven't seen anyone open these yet, so I don't know if this is just for the season, but it's kind of like a little treat bag. Yay! So I did a quick little intermission. So I double checked my email, so it turns out too that this bag is their new alternative. So I was one of probably like the first set of orders to receive this bag instead of like the classic like tissue paper and like kind of like confetti in there. So it's more like eco-friendly since these are reusable at the same time, and it's super cute. So I love that. That was a great idea. Okay, and then so we'll open it up like this. And then, oh my gosh, I already see things that I put in my kind of wish list. So first off is in here is a t-shirt. Here to tell. It makes me so happy to see like Disney things. And it's like a surprise, so it really is like Christmas. So it looks like a Monsters University shirt, and it's so cute. So it's in like it's like a bright blue, kind of like the logo. So I did put in my preferences that I wanted some oversized like graphic tees because they're perfect for lounging in, and they're just like super comfy. It's easy to style that way. I feel like it makes them more wearable. So yeah, it's a Monsters University shirt with Mike and Sully, and this is one of my favorite movies, so, and it's perfect. So I did ask, like I really specified that I wanted an oversized like fit, so this is like a unisex like large. So I love that already. And then next is this. It comes in a little baggie, and this was on my preferences too. Oh my god, I'm so happy already. Okay, so it does say it's a Disney Parks exclusive, so I got, and I believe, yeah, I really did say that I wanted this too, and it's the up lanyard, and it's so cute. So there's the balloons, and then on this side, and it's like reversible, so no matter how you wear it, this side is filled with all the balloons, and on the other side it has the characters. So these are really neat. So you could just like unhook it and put like your keys or like your badge on these. So it does say Disney Parks exclusive. I love these lanyards from Disney. So I love that too. And I love how I really did put that I specifically wanted this. So it's amazing. Okay, and then next, inside our little goodie bag is, this is so cute. It is Pixar. I specifically put that I love Pixar, so I sense a theme. So I'm gonna open it. So this is it's a little card holder. So it goes up like this. There's a little protective tissue, and it has room for 4 cards, and you can put your ID in here. So this is great for taking into the parks, just so you're more minimal. You don't have to worry about carrying like a big wallet around. And you have everything you need here. So it's the Pixar logo, and the Luxo ball is a little flap right here. So this is cute. That's who made it. I love that too. And then I got, ooh, I think I put, yeah, so there's a whole checklist of things you can check off of stuff that you specifically want, and it's just like, it goes from everything like stationery, like bath bombs, t-shirts, and like etc., like a whole list, so you can put like specific. So I think I'm pretty sure I put pens too. So I got some Pixar pens, and these are a Disney Parks exclusive too. So even though I like using my phone too, I love writing things down, being able to check it off. So it's fun having Disney pens that I'll take to our office. So it's perfect. I'm gonna keep some in my bag, so I'll always have a fun pen to use. Toy Story. So there you go. So I love that too. And then last, this is one that I knew that I really wanted. The last time I went to the parks was to Disneyland last December for Christmas time. So I always go back to all of those fun memories of the last time before everything went down this year, and I really wanted these ears. I remember specifically in our last day in California adventure, I saw these before we went on Soarin'. I remember specifically, and I saw these ears, and I was thinking, I was like, I know it was our last day, and I was like, oh, I would want to wear them in the park, but I always thought about them, so I put them on my list, and they actually got them. I always see them on Shop Disney as well, so I was like, oh, let me just put it in my list, and then we'll know if it's meant to be. So these are the up ears, and they're so cute. You'll see the little, oh, these are like really good quality. They're really thick. It's like a satin fabric with the clouds. There's the up house, and then for the balloons, it goes up into the little bow. So they're like pom-pom balls inside the bow, and there's a great soda like pin in the center, and it's so cute, and I love it. Okay, so overall, so that was my box, and I have to say that it was the most perfect, like, well thought out box where it literally hit all of my preferences. Let's get into the packing slip of the spoiler sheet. First off, we have the Disney Parks exclusive ears. These are $29.99. So we have the Monsters University shirt, which was $24. And next, the lanyard was a Disney Parks exclusive, and it was $12.99. And then next, it's the World of Pixar pens, which were a pack of 6 and is $17.99. And yeah, and just like looking at these again, they're really like stylized versions of the characters, which is really cute and different. And then lastly, there's the Loungefly Pixar card holder, which was $20. So yeah, I definitely think I got my value and pretty much even more. And overall, I'm super happy with my box. It was a great first experience. I'm definitely gonna schedule another one. Cause yeah, it was like super fun to open. It really is, again, like Christmas Day. It's the mystery kind of like aspect of it. Even though you are putting your preferences, you don't know exactly what you're gonna be getting. So it's a great overall surprise, which is super worth it. I definitely recommend it to anyone that hasn't tried it yet and it's kind of like me and they were kind of waiting and really caught like this Disney bug. So it was super fun and super worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing. Don't forget to like if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see me do more of these unboxings and different hauls, fashion or lifestyle related. Might not all be Disney, but there's always going to be a little sprinkle in there because I love it. I love Disney, so I love all like the magic and the joy it brings. It's super fun and satisfying. So yeah, especially during these times. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and keep safe and healthy. See you guys next time. Bye. So I wanted to do a little overview. So here's the Monsters University shirt, up lanyard, which is reversible. So balloons on one side and then characters on the other. My up ears, some Pixar pens, and a Loungefly card holder.